Welcome to post-blizzard 2013. I'm standing in my backyard in at least 2 feet of snow. Ugh. Alright, need a stick just to maneuver. So, just gonna make a very short film and show you what blizzard New England style looks like, or post-blizzard rather. This is our deck. You can't see the stairs or my shelves. The grill. That's our house, totally covered. Oh goodness, here we go. Trying to make my way out of this. Like, if I step in the snow, it goes almost to my knees. Oy, here we go. This is a path my dad made for the dog. So, at least we can kind of sort of walk now. These are the trees. I have to knock some snow off of them or they will get squished, as you can see. Let's just take a little quick look out. Front door. Snow attached to the house because that's how high it was. Totally. Ooh, crap. Snowed in. Check this out. Mountains upon mountains of snow. My car. Driveway. That bush is going to be a lot of work to clear. That's a really tall bush, and now it's like half its size because of all the snow that's on it. Jeez. I have no idea where the dog went, otherwise he would probably be in this video too. Let's just take a quick look, though, past the cars, at our driveway. And this is where we hit the big pile of snow. My car will be able to have no problem. My mother's, well, hopefully she'll need not to go anywhere tomorrow. So, a lot has melted, but a lot has not and won't anytime soon. So, folks, I hope you liked the images of post-blizzard. There's some of those icicle thingies hanging on the house. Post-blizzard 2013, February 9th. Hope you have a more fun time digging yourselves out than we did. Okay, bye-bye.